Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be replacing headlights on this 2005 Toyota Echo. It's a sedan, 4-door. The headlights have, well, they're not cracked. They look cracked. The plastic's all cracked in them. So first thing you want to do is you're going to take all these plastic bolts or plastic tap screws in here, here, down there, and underneath there's 10 bolts that holds the bumper to the bottom. Two on either side here and here. I've removed all these bolts already. And also on this side, here and here. Now I should be able to pull this out here, like that. And same on this side. Pull it out, and then the whole thing is going to come forward. This is going to go down to the ground. For what we're doing, we don't need to take it all the way off because we just need to get to this bolt here for the headlights right here. And also right here. I'm going to move these bolts here and here. And here. And here. And pull the headlights out. Okay, once you remove the headlight from there, you're going to want to remove all the bulbs. Sometimes the new headlights will come with bulbs. This one didn't. Most of these just twist. Twist and then pull. That's your turn signal. Twist and pull. That's your parking light. This one you're going to pull the cap off, and then you're going to see that. And I believe this is just an H4 bulb. So you're going to pull the rubber off. And then this is a little clip. You just push that clip down and up. So you know, leave that, please.
How did you do that?
And then you're going to pull your bulb out. Don't touch the lens, because if it'll get any moisture on it from your skin, that's where it'll blow out. Put it on some plastic. And then you're going to get your new headlight. Okay, the new headlight, this one comes with like a plastic wrap on it. I leave that on while you're working on it, so it limits the chance of you scratching the actual lens. And we're going to start putting the bulbs in. First I'm going to put the H4 in first. Comes with a new rubber boot, which is good. Take the plastic.
Can I bring her inside?
Yes, you can. And then put your... These will only fit one way, so when you figure out which way it is, put that in there. Then put your rubber boot back on. Actually, put your clip down. Clip it. And then put your rubber boot back down on. And at this point you can peel off all your plastic things so you can put your other bulbs in. There you go. Put your headlight wires on first. Then your running light.
One, two, three, 4, 5. Got you.
That's in there. And then the next one was your turn signal. You can tell your turn signal is always going to have the orange bulb. Put that in there and then turn it. Clip. And at this point, you're going to start lining it up with where it was supposed to go. So this clips in there. And then this is going to clip over the frame right there. And also down here.
Dad, can we go
Go where?
inside?
Also make sure it goes over your fender.
Dad, let's go. Oh my goodness, so good.
And once it's in, peel off your plastic.
We fell.
All done. And then put your bolts back here. And then the bolt that goes in the side is a shoulder bolt, like that. And that one goes just in here.
Dad, you didn't look it. Let's go back in the house.
Yeah, and before I put the other side in, you can see the difference now, just looking at it. This is the new one, obviously. Super clear. And this is the other one. It's 12 years old, I reckon. 2005, 2017. Okay, now I got both the headlights in there. I gotta put this bumper back on. Just lift it up and hang it from the top first. Might need 2 hands for that. These push screws are really easy. Just go in the hole. Okay, this is the final. All the push buttons are back in. All the bolts are back in the bumper. This just needs to clean it up and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.